Curtis Guy Yarvin, also known by the pen name Mencius Moldbug, is an American far-right blogger and software developer. Yarvin and his ideas are often associated with the alt-right. From 2007 to 2014, he authored a blog called Unqualified Reservations, which argued that American democracy is a failed experiment and that it should be replaced by monarchy or corporate governance. He is known, along with fellow neo-reactionary Nick Land, for developing the anti-egalitarian and anti-democratic ideas behind the Dark Enlightenment. Yarvin has links with the website Breitbart News, the former White House chief strategist Steve Bannon, and with the billionaire investor Peter Thiel. His ideas have been particularly influential among radical right libertarians and paleolibertarians, and the public discourses of prominent investors like Thiel have echoed Yarvin's project of seceding from the US to establish tech CEO dictatorships. Journalist Mike Wendling has called Yarvin the alt-right's favorite philosophy instructor. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.